Save time with LabConnect from OPSIS LiquidLINE. Wet chemistry techniques like Kjedal, extraction, and fiber analysis are essential for measuring protein, fat, and fiber content. However, while the methods are necessary, it is not always necessary to continue with the same manual processes, which often are slow, labor-intensive, and error-prone. LabConnect software can modernize your wet chemistry lab by digitizing workflows and ensuring regulatory compliance. It complements, rather than replaces, a LIMS system, focusing on daily tasks instead of database management. Here's how it can help in the daily work. LabConnect seamlessly connects to balances, ensuring efficiency and error-free weighing. It simplifies the process of measuring various parameters such as sample, cup, crucibles, and bag weights. Weigh your sample and press a button on your balance to transfer the information directly to LabConnect. Simplified weighing is a common task in a laboratory, yet but seldom addressed by LIMS systems. With the software, it is easy to register your weights and samples. You enter comments, assign sample names, and use identification numbers from your LIMS system. Enter the information and register a batch for analysis. The software seamlessly integrates with other devices, allowing you to wirelessly send weights and receive result directly from an OPSIS LiquidLINE instrument. You can also manually enter results for non-interfacing devices. It offers pre-configured templates for common analyses, including protein, fat, fiber, and moisture. Additionally, you can create custom methods to suit your specific needs. The software securely stores all data in a searchable SQL database, providing a clear and accessible overview of your information, including batches that have not yet been analyzed, completed batches, and archived batches. You can search your results based on any combination of dates, keywords, and batch status. The result analysis module allows for in-depth examination of your data, enabling you to identify outliers, conduct normality tests, and analyze trends. It is easy to remove any outliers from your reports by selecting and deselecting results. LabConnect can suggest a compiled result and facilitates the creation of reports. It is also possible to import a file from a LIMS system. It can be registered samples with identification numbers or samples that already have weights associated with them. The software is compliant with regulatory procedures, such as Good Laboratory Practice and ISO 17025. In addition, it's possible to configure the software to be compliant with Title 21 Part 11 from FDA. As we have shown, LabConnect can modernize your laboratory and simplify your daily tasks. It allows easy connection to balances, external systems, and instruments. It provides tools to register your samples and handle your analytical results. It can import as well as export your data to LIMS systems. Please contact OPSIS LiquidLINE today and request a free demo. Explore today how LabConnect can innovate your laboratory.